Let's read the question. Find the value of c if the points 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, c are concyclic. So the question is that these are all the points which were there on the circle. Okay, for suppose we'll just draw a circle. Okay, so this is a circle. To the circle there are points. Suppose we'll just make the points 2, 0, and the next point I'm just taking 0, 1, and the next point it was 4, 5. Another point is 0, c. So the point here which we have to find out is that we should find out the c itself. So here they have given 0, c, where we should find the value of c here. So that is what we'll do it. So for that, what we'll do is that we'll write the general equation and we will just submit this all the points in the general equation, where with that we can easily find out the value of c. So let's write that. So I can write let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the general equation of the circle. So I can write be the required equation of a circle. Alright, so now we'll even write the given points. So I can write given points are, so what are the given points? 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and the last point is 0, c. So each and every point I'll just submit in the general equation so that we'll get the value of g, f and c. Okay, for that what I do is that this first general equation I'll just take equation 1. So I'll just submit all these points in that equation 1. For that I'll just write equation 1 is passing through. So I'll just write the first point, that is 2, 0. So let's write the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation. This 2, 0 I'll just take it as x and this as y. So let's submit here. So this is 2 square plus 0 whole square plus 2 into g value we don't know, we have to find out, whereas x is 2 and this also 2f and the y value is just, it was 0 plus we don't know what the c value is, so we'll just write it as it is. So the equation obtained is what? 2 square in the sense that was 4 plus 0 square is 0 plus 2 into 2, that is 4g. When it comes to this 2f into 0, it was just 0, so we'll just remain with c again. So I'll just write this in the sequence. So I can write 4g plus c plus 4 equal to 0. Alright, so let's say this is equation 2. Alright, so even we'll just submit the 0, 1 in the general equation. So I can write here equation 1 is passing through. So I'm just writing the second point, that is 0, 1. So let's write the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So in the place of x and y, I'm just submitting the 0 and 1. So I can write 0 square plus 1 square plus 2 into g into 0 plus 2 into f into 1 plus c equal to 0. So now this is 0 plus 1 plus this is all 0. So this is 2f plus c equal to 0. So if I just write this in sequence, so I can write this as 2f plus c plus 1 equal to 0. So let's say this is equation 3. So we have equation 2, we have equation 3 with this 2, 0 and 0, 1, and we'll do the same for 4, 5 also. So I can take here general equation. So before that I'll just write a line. Equation 1 is passing through. So what was the point? That is 4, 5, the coordinate. So let's write the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So here I'll just submit the coordinate. Okay, so 4 is what it is, ex, so x square plus y is 5, so y square plus 2 into g into this is 4 plus 2f, and the y is 5 plus c equal to 0. So let's multiply. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, plus 4 to the, this is 8g, this is 5 to the 10 ef plus c equal to 0. So let's write everything in sequence. So I can write this as 8g plus 10f plus c plus this 16 plus 25, in the sense that was 41 equal to 0. So let's say this is equation 4. Okay, so we got equation 2, we got equation 3, and we also got equation 4. Okay, we have submitted the 3 points in the general equation where we got the different points. So now we'll just solve. So I can write here solving 2, and also I'll solve 3. So let's see what do we get. So what is the second equation? This is the second equation. So I'll just write here 4g plus c plus 4 equal to 0. Whereas the third equation, that also I'll write here 2f plus c plus 1 equal to 0. So let's change the sign. So this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, plus c minus c can be cancelled. So we'll just write the remaining elements. So what are the remaining elements? 4g minus 2f, this is plus 4 and minus 1 is getting cancelled, so we just remain with plus 3 equal to 0. Alright, so this obtained equation 4g minus 2f plus 3 equal to 0, this equation, let's say it as equation 5. So now we'll just solve. We have solved 2 and 3, this 2 and 3 we have solved. Now we'll be just solving 3 and 4, this 3 and 4 will just solve it, and let's see what we could do it. Okay, so I'll just write here solving 3 and 4. Okay, so the third equation we'll see here, that is 2f plus c plus 1 equal to 0. This is the third equation, and here is the fourth equation. I can write this as 8g plus 10f, and this is plus c plus 41 equal to 0. So now if we just change the signs, and we'll see what do we get. Okay, so we are remain with minus 8g, whereas plus 2f minus 10f, so we are remain with minus 8f, and this is plus c minus c get cancelled, plus 1 minus 41, so we'll be getting this as minus 40 equal to 0. Here I can just take minus 8 common. If I take minus 8 common, so we are remain with g plus f, and this is 8 5s are 40. Okay, if I send this minus 8 to other side, so that is 0 by minus 8 will be, so that was 0. So we are remain with g plus ef plus 5 equal to 0. So let's say this equation as equation number 6. Okay, so now we'll just solve this 5 and 6. So I can write here solving 5, equation number 5, and equation number 6. Okay, so now what I do is that I'll just write 4g minus 2f. This is equation number 5. I'm just writing here. So that is 4g minus 2f plus 3 equal to 0. So the next equation is equation 6, this one. So I'll just write here, this is g plus f plus 5 equal to 0. If we have to solve this equation, at least any one variable should be same, so that we could cancel that and we could get the other variable. So as nothing is equal, I'll just multiply 2 for this sixth equation, so that I can get 2f, so that I could cancel in both of the equations. So when I multiply the complete equation with 2, let's see what do we get. So I'll be getting 4g minus 2f plus 3 equal to 0, and this is 2g plus 2f plus this is 5 to the 10 equal to 0 into 2, it was 0. So this is the obtained equation. So now we could just cancel plus 2 minus 2, we could just cancel. This is 4g and this is 2g. So 4g and 2g, that is, we'll be getting 6g. So here plus 3 and plus 10, so we'll be getting it as plus 13 equal to 0. Okay, so now I'll just send this 13 to the side. So I'll be getting 6g equal to minus 13, and if I send this 6 to other side, the g value I'll be getting minus 13 by 6. Okay, so the g value whatever I got, that is minus 13 by 6. This is the g value. Okay, so now this g value I'll just submit in equation number 6. Okay, so let's do that. So I can write here submit g equal to minus 13 by 6 in equation 6. So let's see what do we get. Equation 6 is g plus f plus 5 equal to 0. So here I'll just submit the g value. So that is minus 13 by 6 plus f plus 5 equal to 0. So let's continue to solve it so that we'll get the f value. So I can write this as f equal to 13 by 6, as I'm sending this 13 by 6 to other side, where this side it was minus, as it is coming to this side, that is plus. So plus 5 when it comes to this side, that is minus 5. So let's solve this further. So this is f equal to 13 minus 5 into 6 by 6. This is after doing LCM. So this is f equal to 13 minus 5 6, that is 5 into 6 is 30 by 6. So f value I'm getting it as minus 17 by 6. So we got g value, we got f value, and we even have to find out c value also. So further, the g and f value I'll just submit in equation number 4. So let's do that. So I'll just write here submit g equal to minus 13 by 6 and f equal to minus 17 by 6 in equation, I'll just submit in equation number 4. Okay, so equation 4, 8g plus 10f plus c plus 41 equal to 0. Okay, so this is equation number 4. So I'll just submit g and f over here. Let's see what do we get. 8 into the g is minus 13 by 6 plus 10 into f is minus 17 by 6, whereas the plus c we just have to write as it is, where we are just finding out the c value here. So now we'll just this is 8 into minus 13 by 6 is there, plus 10 minus 17 by 6 plus c plus 41 equal to 0 is the equation which you have. So this, if you just multiply 13 into 8, so that is minus 104 by 6, and this is 10 into 17, so we'll be getting plus and minus, so that is minus 170 by 6, and this is plus c plus 41 equal to 0. So now if I send these two terms to other side, not only these two, I'll even send this 41 to other side, and we'll just solve it. So I can write c equal to 104 by 6 plus 170 by 6. This is becoming minus 41. So now this is 104 by plus 170, and this is minus 41 into 6 whole by 6 I'm just writing. So together, so this is 104 plus 170, how much it was? That is c equal to 104 plus 170 is 274 minus this 41 into 6, that is 6, 4 and 2, 246 we are getting. So 274 minus 246 is how much? So that is c equal to, we are just getting it as 28 by 6. So if we just cancel here 2 3's 6, and this is 2 1's and 2 4's, which is 14. So we are getting the c value as c equal to 14 by 3. So we got g value, f value, and also we got c value. So all these g, f and c values will just submit in the general equation of circle. So I'll write here submit the values of g F and C in equation 1. Equation 1 is nothing but it was a general equation which we have given above. You can just check it out. So that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So here I'm just submitting the values, that is x square plus y square plus 2 into the g value is how much? That is minus 13 by 6 into x plus this is 2 into, and the f value is how much? That is minus 17 by 6 into y plus, whereas the c value also we got, that is 14 by 3 equal to 0. So let's solve this. So we'll be just solving 2 1s and this is 2 3s, whereas this also 2 1s and this is 2 3s. So we'll just write the remaining, or we even have to do LCM here, so that we'll be getting this as 3x square plus 3y square, and the remaining elements is here minus 13x, this is minus 17y, this is plus 14 whole by 3, right? As we did LCM here for 3, so we can write the denominator for these both also as 3, whereas the denominator for this element is 3, for this also it was 3, and here also it was 3. So now if we just send this 3 to other side, that it will become 0. So we are just remain with 3. Here I'm just taking 3 common, so I'll be getting x square plus y square minus 13x minus 17y, this is plus 14 equal to 0 into 3. It was nothing but it is just 0. Okay, that I'll write in the next step. So this I'll be getting this as 3 into x square plus y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 equal to 0. So this is the equation which we got after submitting G, F and C values, but the actual question which they asked is to find out the fourth point, which is 0 comma C. So we'll just find it out. So for that I'll just submit the 0 comma C in this particular equation. So I can write therefore the above equation of circle, so that is passing through the, what was the point? 0 comma C. So in the above equation we'll just submit this 0 comma C. So we'll see what do we get. So 0, that is in x place, and C in y place, minus 13 into 0 minus 17 into C plus 14 equal to 0. So this I'll be getting as 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into C. So I'll be getting this is 3c square, this is minus 13 into 0 is 0. So minus 17c plus 14 equal to 0. So I can write this as 3c square minus 17c plus 14 equal to 0. So let's solve this further. We have to find out the roots. So here for finding out root, we'll be just taking the first value of the c square and this 14, the quotient of c square and the constant value. So I can write this is 3 into 14, which is 42. So I can just simply write 3 into 14 multiple, which is 42. So I'll write over here, for that I can write 3c square minus 3c minus 14c plus 14 equal to 0. So I can take 3c common, so this is c minus 1, here minus 14 common, again c minus 1 is remained. So from both of them I can take c minus 1 common, so I'll be remain with 3c minus 14 equal to 0. So where this is become c minus 1 equal to 0 separately, and this also 3c minus 14 equal to 0 separately. So if I send this 1 to other side, this is c equal to 1 and this is c equal to 14 by 3. So we are getting c value as c equal to 1 and c equal to 14 by 3. So we can't take c equal to 14 by 3 as the given points if you just see the question. Okay, see here, if you see the question is 2 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 4 comma 5, 0 comma c. So where the points 4 comma 5 is there, so where it should be a nearby value to make a circle, but here 4 by 3 in the sense you'll be getting again the 4 relative 4 point something you'll get, so you can't get the point like that. Alright, so only the point which we could take is c equal to 1. So for that I can write here the point as, therefore we get the same point. I'm writing it as same point, the reason you'll understand now. 0 comma c is the given point, whereas the c value we got it as 1, so simply we can write that as 0 comma 1. So I wrote it as the same point because already the 0 comma 1 was given in the question. For the reason I'm saying it as again the same point, 0 comma 1 is given, where the 0 comma c which they have shown that was the same point 0 comma 1. So here we will not separately take this as 0 comma 1, we'll just take it off, okay, because the point 0 comma 1 is nothing but 0 comma c, where the c value we got which is 1. So this is the same point which they are again asked us to find out. So this is all about this question.